One sunny morning, Steppenwolf discovered something unusual. His whiskers had grown so long, they reached the ground. Astonishing! Steppenwolf exclaimed, twirling his whiskers around. What a sensation! He decided to embark on an adventure, to explore the world beneath his whiskers. With a hop and a skip, Steppenwolf set off. As he journeyed, he felt the soft grass tickle his paws, and the cool breeze playfully rustled his whiskers. He knew this was going to be an exciting day. Soon, he stumbled upon a tiny house hiding among the tall grass. It was the home of Timmy, a friendly mouse. "Hello there, Steppenwolf," Timmy squeaked, peeking out from his hole. "What brings you to my humble abode?" Steppenwolf explained his long whiskers and his desire to explore the world beneath them. Timmy thought for a moment, then invited Steppenwolf inside. Inside the cozy house, Timmy offered Steppenwolf a warm cup of tea. As they sipped, Timmy shared stories of the creatures who dwelled in the undergrowth. "Wow, I never knew there was so much life down here," Steppenwolf marveled. "Thank you, Timmy, for showing me this magical world." With a heart full of gratitude, Steppenwolf said his goodbyes and continued his journey. He discovered many new friends and wonders along the way. Finally, as the sun began to set, Steppenwolf returned home. He was exhausted but happy, his heart filled with memories of his adventure. That night, Steppenwolf lay down to sleep, his long whiskers gently brushing against his chin. He dreamt of the friends he'd made and the adventures yet to come. And so, Steppenwolf learned that sometimes, the most extraordinary adventures are right beneath our noses.